The energy sector is facing an extraordinarily difficult time, primarily due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the looming economic crisis. Keeping consumers under lockdown has sent fuel prices soaring to record lows. Natural gas is experiencing its largest annual decline in history due to COVID-19 and the exceptionally mild winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Prior to COVID-19, the energy sector was already experiencing a slow in demand. In fact, the coal industry has seen a 40% decline in the past 5 years. Although energy demand has dramatically decreased, the amount of carbon emissions has not significantly dropped as industry experts had hoped. Innovations for renewable energies such as hydropower, wind, biomass, and solar are steps in the right direction, as well as transitioning from gas-powered vehicles to electric. But the power industry is in need of connected solutions to help maintain balance and preserve our natural resources if we want to return to a green and growing economy. Join us on Thursday, August 20th, for Industry Insights webinar, Connected Solutions for the Power Industry, to find out more about these challenges and the new technology evolving Industry 4.0.